This is the Pokemon 2023 holiday calendar. It's an advent calendar with 25 different spaces in it. They're all numbered nice and clearly so you know exactly which order to go in. My daughter just opened the first 3 here, so we're not giving away too many surprises. But within those surprises are some booster packs, sticker sheets, a sidekick dangler, a code card, 3 fun card packs, and some coins. The advent calendar is a nice size, and I know for sure that my daughter will not be waiting until December to open the rest of it. She loves the treasure hunt that comes with Pokemon, and this is a perfect advent calendar for a Pokemon lover, Pokemon card collector, anyone that likes to play the game or just collect the stuff for the game. It says right on the side of the box all of the different things in the packs and coins that are included within. So you have a little bit of an idea of what you're going to find. She was absolutely thrilled with it. She was pleased with the size and can't wait to open up the rest just to see exactly what Pokemon cards are in there. She's so excited.